What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm doing a celebrity makeup artist inspired look. So if you want to see how I got this, then keep watching. For the eyes, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Black, and I'm using this to outline that overdrawn wing that Patrick created. And with the pictures, I noticed that he kept the line within the crease of her eyes, so I'm going to be doing the same thing. Now that the shape is drawn on, I'm going to use that same pencil and just fill in the wing. And I'm holding my eye back so that I can create like smoother strokes as I'm trying to fill it in. Next, I'll be taking my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going in with that matte green shade. I don't have a shimmery green shade, I realized as I was filming this tutorial, but this eyeshadow actually did the trick for me. Taking that same MAC 239 brush, I'm using this palette that I got from Target by the brand All That Glitters, I believe, and it is their Mermaid Glitter Eyeshadow Collection, and I'm taking just that iridescent shade to add that like glitter effect on my eyes. I'm taking a black shade to kind of blend out some of that glitter to create like a fade effect. So to to create that inner cat eye, I guess that's what you would call it, like that inner corner wing, I'm using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in the shade Black, and I am just creating that wing. Y'all, I really like took my time with this. I was not playing no game. And I'm also using that to sharpen the wing that I created and just going on top of that pencil that I put down earlier. For the skin, I'm starting with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in the shade Universal Sheer. I really like this primer. The first time I used it, I didn't put enough on, I noticed, so I kind of like to put more on and like it really gives me like a smooth skin finish. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. foundation palette in the shade medium dark, and I'm going to put down my contour first. I recently watched a video where Patrick did Chloe Morello's makeup, and he put his contour down first because he says it gives it like a even color. So I tried that, and I really like this technique. I feel like it just really made like a subtle difference. I just noticed there weren't so many like colors in the face. And I'm just using it on all the areas I would normally contour. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y245, and I'm using a fluffy synthetic brush, and I'm going in circular motions around the areas that don't have any contour on them, and the areas that do, I'm doing more so of like a patting motion, just so I won't disturb the color. Once that's all applied, I'm going to highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige and putting that on all of my high points. And then I took this brush from Sephora to blend it out. This brush blended my concealer out flawlessly. I couldn't believe like how smooth and airbrushed it looked. If you guys are wondering, it is the Sephora Blush Contour Brush number 74. Next, I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm using like the powder puff that it came with, and I'm pressing the powder into my under eye. I'm not baking. I think this gives my face more of a skin-like finish. Then I went in with my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Toasted Almond to set my contour. Now I'm taking that same black pencil, this time just on a brush, to create that the lower line that he did. Then I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Medium, and I'm putting that in between the wing liner and the bottom line that I did, and a little bit on the bottom of my waterline as well. Next, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the shade Black is Black, and I'm only using that on my bottom lashes since I do already have false lashes applied to the top. Next, for blush, I'm taking my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 2 in the shade Lena, and I'm pressing that towards my contour. I feel like when I looked at the picture, it looked like that's where her brush laid, so I did the same. Next, I'm taking my Laura Mercier and Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. Adriana was glowing in the picture, so I had to apply more than usual. And I took some above the eyebrow as well. Next, I went in with my Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar, but that didn't work out. So I then took my NYX Butter lipstick in the shade Pink Coral, and I applied that with a brush. And the shade was a bit pale for me, so I decided to go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. And with this gloss I got from a beauty supply store by the brand Nana Coco in the shade Orange Zest. This has been like my favorite lip gloss for ever since I got it. I applied that on top, and I kind of got like the perfect color for my skin tone. And that completes this whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.